What am I talking about? Eh? What am I talking about? Yeah, people are run with it. And people are chat about how much Vybz Kartel and Buju Banton have a thing from way back. From when Kartel a young artist and them claim Buju Banton grab mic from him and all of them shit there. And like Vybz Kartel still have up them thing there in him. So I'm telling you something, dog. Vybz Kartel a real man, dog. A real man no carry emotion. You see what I say? Real man is about respect and integrity. I tell you now already, the world boss done with them shit a long time. You see what I say? Because the world boss come on and make you know. And big up Buju Banton and make you know. Say, Buju Banton was him idol. Because at one point in time, Adi Banton him name himself. No gimmicks business that dead about it. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, and I not like that. And furthermore, when I see Buju Banton come from prison and tell the whole world say come from walkouts. Them left here, left Kartel around the place go and walkouts. Come back from walkouts and Vybz Kartel still around the place. So the animosity never there. You see what I say? But I'm going to make you know where go on after I drop the world greatest intro. Listen to me now, man. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, just watch what I go on. Carefully. Hey, yo, a franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When I come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know it go. And we load up. Here, man. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. Me see them get this thing twisted. Included all footer hype. Although me hear him talk some good thing. But me still hear him say about the long time fuse there. Where it go on and it's a party. Or somewhere over Rasclad, Spanish Town. Where them Buju Banton grab the mic from Kartel and kill off and make him know no argument. You can't deal with the young artists them like that. You see what I say? Vybz Kartel no remember that Bomber Rasclad. You hear that? You see what I say? And me's a man that stay like most of you. Jockstrap sniffing, fanboy and fangirl. But as we come up on the internet with a bag of blood clot gas up. And where she say and he say, I want a blood clot thing. No, talk with me, you know, my brother. No gimmicks thing that they about it to them. When I speak what happen, you know me not the lollipop thing we don't know that deal with it, you know. But this man, I'm not going to tell you what I'm thinking, I'm not going to bust my brain on that. You see what I say? But I'm not going to talk where blood clot happen. What happen is, the world boss come out, then, and I make the dancehall look man them know say here what go on. Right now, we don't have no knowledge to them medicine thing there. Nor to them scientific thing there. What them talk about a certain type of V. The man make them know that clearly. The man include all himself when him say we. That mean the whole of it as dancehall artists. So I don't know if one of them recommend they want to know when them hear no news, the fastest thing them can do I run to a man with argument for cause up a bag of animosity and a bag of fuckery. So I don't know which yes man. See the video, run go show Buju Banton. And in no time, early in the morning, Buju Banton get up, turn on him Instagram and get wild. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? I not even know if him watch, if him listen to the whole of the thing them we cartel at talk about. Because the cartel never point no finger upon him. The man talk all dancehall artists, included himself. So I not see where no vibes, no affliction supposed to be in it. Unless Buju Banton misunderstand what the man has said. And I notice say, anytime when I see no type of animosity, shit I go down like that. I ask you some yes man, some jockstrap sniffers who like animosity. And I don't know if there's a man with the six, they don't number 6, pan Buju Banton bench, and they want to drop for come up number 3 or 2. You see what I say? And I carry fucking news and now carry it the right and properly way. Because no argument not supposed to in that. The man them not supposed to argue over that. You see what I say? Because the world boss never said nothing out of the way. No, never said nothing wrong. And him never violate Buju Banton. So when Buju Banton come out and do that now, you know, what him do, you know, we don't know the world boss not easy, you know. We don't know what high grade him smoke, him not born beady. Him not gonna take them talk there. You know them man they go attack direct and direct. You see what I say? No joke shit. The man they not go cut no corner, no shortcut business. The man they go come straight up to the max. No gimmicks business. You see what I say? And the man they go launch attack. You see what I say? If the man they feel threatened by nothing at all, when a dancehall artist a chat about or a sing about or a go on with. You see what I deal with? So that are the real outcome of where go on. So we not there to talk about what we think and not bust our brain for wonder what them a think or what them a talk. Cut the fuck out. We not in that shit there. You see what I say? We have one shit for think about. What talk about what happen or that happen. You see what I say?
Yes, I see what you just said.
Okay, glad you heard me. You late? I'll take your time now. You're almost there. You just got your hair done? Beautiful. Alright, you have a wonderful day, okay? Watch. Yeah, man. You know Chen Star? One of the most charmfulest man on the earth. Now give me thing not about it. Ask the whole of the ladies them. Can't play with Virgo. And we control them shit there. You see what I say? A boy don't have argument like we. No time at all. You see what I say? We don't ramp for change from one level to another. Can change from here to go to 1,000 in no time. All you have to do is just bring it. You see what I say? And you see what no gimmicks thing not dead about it. The general, the 10 star one I represent. No, any time I represent, you know, a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. I want to tell her, say, my mind tell me say she's a nurse. Go over the Brooklyn hospital, she broke her neck for go. You see what I say? Yeah. But what I say right about now, no big thing not supposed to inner it. You see what I say? Because as I say, it look like a misunderstanding. Go on. Because world boss never attack him. Nor I go direct at him. The man say we as entertainers, that mean all entertainers the man attack, included himself. Me a pop my brother.
Lectures in.
You see what I say? All entertainers, included himself, him attack. So there ain't no way the Gargamel should have find that personal and come out and I say where him a say everybody and their mother know world boss now go hear that blood clot and not say nothing at all. You see what I say? Yeah, I don't know joke shit there about it. There ain't no time at all world boss ever hear nothing like that. Respect. Oh, you doing good? Alright, brother. And I say nothing at all about that. You're crazy. You see what I say? Yeah. The man them are two icons. You know when most of the dancehall fans them mind them wish if why them wish if that look a scenario there never for happen. Because them man they are where people respect. You see what I say? But as me I say, you know the world boss now go play for defend himself. You see me? Worse him did come out and make statement. But what me I say, the thing shouldn't reach so far. You see what me I say? No joke shit not dead about it. I know everybody have them own thing to say about it. People say because a long time thing and the world boss still have up them thing there in the world boss no look past that long time. And when the world boss are young artists, them tell them the man they ever bust yet. You see what I say? I come the man does I come out. Eh? What I talk about? Look on the amount of success we go on after that. Respect. Eh? Look on the amount of success we go on after that. So all the man said for dunk on that, like you know what I mean, like that I got do nothing at all to you. That never do nothing to the world boss career, no time at all, my brethren. You see what I say? First thing, the world boss thing shot first class. You see me? And even Buju Banton himself have to admit that. So no lollipop thing not in my game. You see what I say? So all of who want chat this and a chat about that, yo, just make sure you know what I chat say. Because you can't stay one side and think for nobody. You see what I say? I not chat about a long time thing. That's why. Long time thing on a blood clot. You see what I say? Or some yes man run to Buju Banton with argument like a him Vybz Kartel attack and Buju Banton probably not even pay the man message. Focus on where the man has said. Or probably certain part of the message him grab and him just run out and lash out. Because you know, him did hear the man say we. That mean himself and all the blood clot dancehall artists. Me not think no bumbo clot argument supposed to in Gaza nation. You don't know now. A 10 star. You know when time I represent a Gaza way. There ain't no other way. What? 10 star. General.